Welcome back to Innovent Cake and Cookies. Today let's make soft and healthy Moong Dal Dhokla, a light snack loved by everyone. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, mix 1/4 cup curd and 1/4 cup suji. Keep aside. Soak 1 cup moong dal for 1 hour. Wash well and blend with 1/4 cup water until smooth. Always soak dal properly for smooth batter. Now pour into a bowl. Add soaked suji and curd. Then mix with 3 tablespoon carrot, 1 teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon salt, 1 green chili, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, and 1 tablespoon soaked moong dal. Add 1 teaspoon eno or half teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix gently. Add eno or baking soda just before steaming. Grease oil in a steel bowl. Pour the batter. Sprinkle chili powder and coriander leaves. Moong dal is rich in protein and fiber. Steaming makes it oil-free and light. Carrot and coriander add vitamins and freshness. It's a perfect gluten-free snack option. Boil some water. Now steam for 15 to 20 minutes. Don't oversteam, it makes dhokla dry. Tempering enhances taste and aroma. Cut into pieces. Dhokla is originally from Gujarat but now enjoyed all over India. Moong dal dhokla is lighter than besan dhokla. It's a popular breakfast snack and even festive dish. Steamed dhokla is considered one of the healthiest Indian snacks. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a tarka pan. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon cumin, and some coriander leaves. Cook for 30 seconds. And pour over the dhokla. Fluffy moong dal dhokla is ready to serve. Soft, spongy, and full of flavor, moong dal dhokla is perfect for your family. Try this recipe and let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Innovent Cake and Cookies for more tasty recipes.